Hello everybody, my name is Matt and I teach English the natural way. Today, let's talk about Woody Woodpecker. Woody is not a vulture. He's not an eagle either. Woody is a woodpecker. So what is a woodpecker? A woodpecker is a type of bird that loves trees. Woodpeckers are special because they have strong beaks. They use their beaks to pack the wood of trees. They make little holes in the wood. But why? They are looking for insects to eat or making a nest in the tree. So woodpeckers live mostly in forests and love to be around trees. Now let's talk about Woody. Today, he's not packing a tree. He is taking a break. It's a really hot day. Very hot. And he looks tired. So Woody is lying on a big lounge chair. This is a type of chair, a lounge chair. And his eyes are half closed. They're like this, half closed. They are not completely closed, they are half closed because he's very tired. And he's using a fan to cool himself down. So he's using a fan to cool himself down because it's very hot. Poor Woody. It's a hot day and he's trying to stay cool. On hot days like this, people need ways to cool down. So, what can we do to stay cool when it's really hot outside? Let's talk about some ideas. Number 1, drink water. First, it's important to drink lots of water. When it's hot, our bodies need more water. Drinking water helps keep us from feeling too hot. If you have a water bottle, fill it up and take sips all day. So take a sip. Number 2, find shade. Shade is a place where the sun doesn't shine directly, like under a tree or an umbrella. Woody is already sitting in the shade here, which is smart. Shade keeps you cooler than standing in the sun. Number 3, use a fan or find a breeze. If you have a fan, use it. Fans make a nice breeze that can make you feel cooler. Woody is doing this too. he's fanning himself with his green fan. Or if you are outside, look for a place with a little wind. Wind. A small breeze on a hot day feels very nice. Number 4. Wear light clothing. What we wear also matters, is important. Wearing light, loose clothes helps us stay cool. Light colors like white or blue are better than dark colors. Dark colors like black absorb the heat. On a hot day, wear something light. Number 5, take a cool shower or splash water on your face. Sometimes just a little bit of water can help. You can take a cool shower or even just splash some water on your face and arms. When the water evaporates, it cools you down. And now, number 6, eat or drink something cold. Cold drinks or snacks can help too. You can try having a cold drink like iced tea or lemonade, or even eat some ice cream or a popsicle.